Meanwhile, Malacanang reiterates its call on the public to conserve electricity. At the same time, Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma reiterated that the government is taking steps to address the looming power shortage in Luzon this summer. This report by Rocky Ignacio.
Malacanang assures government's preparedness to deliver enough power supplies this summer. Presidential Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma gave the assurance following the passage on third and final reading of a joint resolution by both Congress to give President Aquino special powers to address the looming power shortage in the country. Coloma explains that although the executive welcomes the move, the Department of Energy implemented programs not based on the proposed special authority. The President's special powers will allow small generators to operate during peak load and efficiency net metering. However, Coloma adds that the DOE expects a minimal power supply deficiency in the next few months.
Matagal-tagal na ring nagpapaliwanag ang Department of Energy tungkol sa kahalagahan ng energy conservation measures. Tinututukan din yung mga maintenance schedules ng iba't ibang power generating plants para wag magkaroon ng unscheduled maintenance. No? Kaya sa pangkahalatan, makikita naman natin, ayon dun sa latest projection ng DOE, nakikita nilang minimal yung maaaring maging shortage or power supply deficiency. Ganun pa man, ang pinaiiral nila ay yung sense of urgency, no, na puspusan yung pakikipag-ugnayan sa pribadong sektor para ma-minimize yung posibilidad na magkaroon ng rotating brownouts. Sa kabuuan, hindi naman sila umasa doon sa pagkakaroon ng emergency powers, no, dahil wala naman yun sa control ng ehekutibo.
The government will closely coordinate with the private sector to enhance mechanisms such as the Interruptible Load Program or ILP to prevent possible rotating brownouts. August last year, the Department of Energy projected possible power supply deficiency of 800 megawatts in the first half of 2015 due to El Nino that would impact to hydropower capacity to address the high demand during summer season.
Sa kabila noong delay na naganap ay nagsagawa naman ang DOE ng nararapat na koordinasyon sa pribadong sektor at kumpara doon sa period ng August-September last year, mataas yung kumpiyansa ng DOE na malalagpasan natin yung kung anumang power supply deficiency ang mararanasan natin sa mga darating na linggo at buwan.
Meanwhile, Malacanang encourages the public to observe energy conservation. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.